yeah, give them an update. Everybody love a look, yeah, give them an update.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we gotta install, and remember that front splitter that's broken. I got a new one, so I'm gonna put that new one on today. But that's not what the video is about. So by the title and the thumbnail, you know what's going down. So we're gonna install a cooling mod. So we're gonna put on the heat exchanger, because it's a must for these cars to help to like cool it down if you're doing like performance mods. So please like and subscribe, and yeah guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, so before you start, you're gonna have to pull right here. So just use a flathead or something to pull it so you guys could take off the bumper. I'm using one hand right now, so it's kind of hard, but this one is up. Oh fuck. And try not to lose any of the clips, guys. So I'm gonna pull all of these, and then I'm gonna take off the bumper and all of that. But I'm not gonna show you guys how to take off a bumper because it's simple. So I'm gonna just take it off and then get back to you guys. Okay guys, so we pull off the front bumper now. So we just taking out the heat exchanger. We got the new one right here. Okay, just bust the strap down with this. Cut the strap and then take your three side. Pull off that way name there is.
Oh, this a good
yeah.
one.
Oh.
That's like what
Yeah. And don't worry about that. We got coolant right there. So we're just gonna push it through the side. And yeah. Just push it from the side of the ground. So yeah. Good. Take off that sensor. You come now, anti-broke, you know. There you go. Yeah, I know say I tight fit. Don't worry yourself. What? Wait.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we got it in. So you just screwing it up, but that's how it looking. We got some new hardware with the screw. Yeah.
How would this one have gone?
Probably this side bracket. Like this, you see it? So the other one them can win him there.
This one never have to do.
Yeah.
That one is 10. See that.
So guys, y'all didn't have take this off, only this side, and y'all don't have to take the reservoir off. Could fit just fine. So you just buttoning up right now. And we got some coolant right there. So this is the old one. See how small it is, and it's all beat up compared to the Misimoto. So yeah guys, so we just buttoning up right now. Put the lines back on. We got a little bracket from Misimoto right here, got the hardware, and yeah. So you just tightening up. The one beside it. Untight it first. I see. Damn, these filters dirty. But I'm waiting on my intakes. I'm getting some stage 2 intakes. So I'm just waiting on that. But we put it on the Misimoto heat exchanger. So that's what it looked. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And after this, we're gonna bleed it. Yeah. So
Easy man.
yeah.
Come here, face a young pull up the whole front to get you on it.
Changing heat exchanger easy, that. So now we're gonna pour coolant. So remember to refill it. So like this, we're gonna bleed it. I don't know, some sticker or some shit. Wait, start the car. So meantime, coolant goes in it. We're gonna start the car. Yeah, start it. So we're just gonna let it bleed for a couple minutes. Yeah guys, see, it's bleeding. So we're just gonna leave it to run like probably 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Yeah guys. Yeah, so when it finished bleeding, I'll just get back to you guys.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, so I was leaving it for like a couple minutes to let it bleed, but no more air coming out. Yeah, right, that's all. Yeah, for it.
Right?
Yeah. Do it down little bit bottom, so he's putting on the new splitter that I got. Oh yeah guys, that's how you guys change the heat exchanger. So there you go. Everything is up. Make sure you guys plug up back your sensors and all of that. And yeah guys. Yeah guys, and soon as I said, I'm gonna change out the intakes and all of that. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.